Welcome to CTM DIY, the Tile Edition. We will show you the ins and outs of tiling a feature wall. On this video, we're going to take you on a quick guide on the process that you and your contractor would follow when applying new tiles. To mix your tile adhesive, you're going to need your 20 kg tile adhesive, 5 liters of clean cold water, a large bucket, as well as a drill and mixer drill bit. Add the water to your bucket. Then add half of the tile adhesive to the water. Slowly mix until the adhesive powder is well combined with the water. Add the other half of your tile adhesive to the mixture. Mix thoroughly until all the dry adhesive powder is gone and the mixture has an even, thick consistency. Before you start tiling, you need to find the center of your wall. Use a tape measure to find the center and mark it. Now measure your tile to determine the best place to start your tiling. Set up a straight line to rest your first tile against. Add adhesive to the wall and apply your first tile. Use your first tile to place your second tile on the wall. Use a tile spacer to ensure that the gap between the tiles is the same on all sides. And now, time to finish things off with just a little bit of color, style and class. So what do you think? Could you tile it yourself? Only one way to find out.